Well, I think the center, if we have listed and we've listened over 2 days to the things that could be improved, and but we already think that the center staff are working very hard already. So adding more things for them to do, I think, will be a challenge for them to do. But there's huge opportunities, and it's easy for us to think of things for other people to do.
Several. First of all, to sustain it, because with all these budget cuts all over the world, so you need funds in order to sustain the activities. It is growing, but you need funds for that. Obviously, we listened to 9 different research groups while we stayed here, and they're doing wonderful work, but the feeling is that they have to strengthen a little bit the ties between the different groups, that they will know more about each other's activities, so it can be more kind of benefit for everybody if they will get more information and dissemination of what they are doing, and also to collaborate with other research centers of distance teaching and also non-distance teaching universities which work on eLearn, because it's a very hot team and it's still going to stay a very hot team all over the world. E-learning, many use it, with still the questions are more than answers, how to use it more effectively and efficiently, so the center is doing a great job.
Because there are so many research groups and many people are engaged in a very interesting way, and they are all related. One challenge would be how to manage those teams. You know, still keeping the flexibility or dynamics in the teams, but you still need to organize, give some structure in research management. I think that will be the challenge of Elearncenter.
Organizations are successful not by plans, but are made successful by its people. So I think the challenge is to keep always a high quality, as it happens now, of its member staff. So the effort of recruiting and having contacts, having a very dedicated, motivated and competent staff is always a crucial aspect for the center and in general for any other organization. The second issue for me is that we do not, at the moment, present, we are in a very complicated situation in general terms, and we do not need just ideas. We need real change on the ground, and the ability of the center to connect with the different constituent parts of the society, of the faculties, of the schools and so on, and helping them to change, helping them to reflect on their own practices and to innovate is really an important asset.
Big challenge is to foster collaboration in an academic setting. I think the basic mission of the e-learning center is kind of countercultural to the nature of academic institutions, where scholars typically prefer to do their own work. They're interested in their own ideas. So the basic purpose of the center is to foster collaboration among scholars. I think it's a very difficult challenge. So far they've done a very good job, but they need to continue to find ways to help scholars from different fields recognize their common interests and figure out ways of working together on them. The other main challenge for any organization in these times is funding. So figuring out sustainable sources of funding that will enable the center to continue is a big challenge.